Hey, Mr. Messed Up here. I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I've got a festive number here for you which I've written and composed. It's performed here by Car Crash. Let's have a butcher's.
The Christmas we have all been waiting for. It's been a long year and we're gonna have a ball. The snow is falling and it's looking pretty neat. It's time to party till we fall off our feet. They're building snowmen for everyone to see.